Isa lang ba ang court nito?
Oo, wala yung point dyan eh.
Kaya tumagal nag-upsing.
Ganun kung New England galing City, mas ganyan na yan eh. Kapingin eh.
Sir! Sir, correct.
Once again, this is the quarterfinals rounds for the Basketball against Poblacion Basketball League Season 3. Our last match is the battle between Batang Cavite going up against 18 versus Motis to the center court.
Hoy! Pizza!
Our final of this ball game is referee Eric Asper, referee Andre Villa, and Richard referee Mons Bona. And here's our jump ball. First quarter, first possession goes to Batang Cavite. Here's Richard on the server now. Paulo, hands up down low to roll. To number 31. Vincent Mendoza opening up the scoreboard. He had our goal game of his Patrick Resultay. With a letter. Fades away. Gomez. Even goes to roll. Here's Laban now on the tail. Hand off. Loses. Here is Cacho. Russell. On the right side corner. He's up against Johnson. Up swinging down. Rotate. Making his way in. Off the glass. Absolutely opening up the scoreboard for 18. We're tied at 2 points. Who is it? Red. Apollo rather. Up the legs for 3. Gomez. Put back shot. One goal. Even goes to Aris. And up to Punsalan. Here's Patrick. Resultay from pass. Cacho with the reverse. Nowhere to go. Even goes to Johnson. Here's Yasser. All the way to Rob. Gabat now. On the three he goes. Even goes to Rapin. Here's Punsalan. Patrick. He's up against them. Right side pass for 3. Crossover wrist. Even goes to Rob. Here's Gabat now. Patrick pass. Johnson with the reception. Leak out. Polo for 3. Nowhere to go. Even goes to Vincent. Mendoza. Jumper. That is short. Better for the loose board off on Polo. Gabat. On the tail. Pick up pass to Vincent. Mendoza shots far. That is too strong. Even goes. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball stays with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here is Gabat now. Rob. Follow. Back to Rob. Left side pass to Rex for 3. Gomez. Battle for the loose leather. Makukuha ni Janken. Yasser off to Vincent. Mendoza. Cross-court pass. Polo hesitation. Will attack. Off the shot. Gomez. Even goes to Polo again. Shot clock at 10. Polo down low. Off the pass. Ball goes the other way. Almost 3 minutes has gone by here with our ball game. Now here is Patrick Punsalan all the way to Aris. Rodrigo on the top of each of Russell. Cacho making his way in. Using some muscles. And it's in. First 2 points for Russell Cacho on the get-go. Now here is Rob. Gabat the Rex. Gabat for 3. Misses. Polo puts up the shot. Misses too. But for the loose letter, makukuha yan ni Rob. Gabat to Vincent. Too strong on that one. Rebound goes to Rex. Sa ilalim. Nowhere to go. Rebound goes to Rodrigo. Here's Cacho. Russell. Goes to Sale. That will be on offensive foul. Call on number 13. That is Russell Cacho. His first personal foul. First team foul for 18. Now here is Rex. Gabat. Top jumper. Got it. First 2 points for Rex Gabat. On the get-go, Gomez goes to Vincent. Mendoza has a little handoff to Polo. And that will be a traveling. Turnover for Batang Cavite, and we're tied at 4 points now. Now here is Russell Cacho to Aris. On Aris is looking together. Here's Gaba, Polo. There's a whistle down there. Holding foul call on number 17. That is Epi Hayag. His first personal foul, second team foul. 18 on the shot clock. Polo, Rex on the inbound. To Polo for 3. Gomez, rebound goes to Rob. Gabat winding it up. Lays it in for 2. Batang Cavite is now up by 3. Here's Batang missing time. With a letter. Sinanalo to Gonzalez. Aris, loses it. Ball picks up Perez. Here's the break now. Johnson picks up the letter. On the top of the key to Polo. Perez. Hesitation. He is blocked by Aris. Ball picks up by Resultai. Back into Russell. Cacho. Losing up the letter. Ball goes the other way.
Sab.
Substitution. Roy Castillo checks in for the first time this whole game for Epi Hayag. Batang Cavite still up to 2 points, 6 to the floor. Rex for 3. Bang! Rex Gabat, 3! And at last, Rex Gabat explodes from the Pilipinas County. Now here's Aris down low against the basket. And the 1. The last ball number 17, that is Rex Gabat. Rex committed his first personal foul, first team foul. For the shot. For Aris Ruby. 3-point completes for Aris. They have a people area. Now they are down by 2 points. Here's Polo now. On the leather, lays it in. Misses, rebound goes to Aris. Now here's Ruby now. On the pickup, he goes to Punsalan. Patrick on the field. To the right side, Roy. No, rebound goes to Russell. Cacho to Resultai. Patrick on the handle. Shot on pen. To the middle. Rodrigo making his way in. Announcing his presence inside the shaded area. We're tied there at 9. Johnson kicks out. Passes to the wrong man. And here's Resultai. To Russell. Stolen by Polo. Gabat on the middle. Getting the basket and 1. Fouls on number 8. That is Roy Castillo committed his first personal foul, 13 foul. For the shot for Polo Gabat. And Polo Gabat completes the 3-point play behind the free throw line. And here's Patrick Resultai. They are down by 3 points. Setting up the play. Picking up the pace. He's up against Rock. The shot misses. Rebound by number 12. Foul number 12. That is John D. Cavite. His first personal foul, 14 foul, and 17 foul rather.
Walang dalawang pano.
Dalawa sa'yo, boss.
Puta.
So here's Polo now.
Malayo!
On the get-go. Gomez, para po na loose letter, makukuha ni Cavite. Shot clock at 11 seconds. He's a drive now. Polo with attack. Down the lane, Gomez. Para po na loose board. Makakuha na 18 years na layout from Russell Gomez. Ball goes out of bounds. Both teams with 18. Shot clock at 14. Here is number 10 now. On the pick-up shot. Got it. First 2 points by JP Rabe. Announcing his presence here on our goal game. But they're up by 2 points now. Here's the kick-out pass. Stolen by Russell. What a smart play there. Goal goes to 18.
Nadodogdagan na eh.
Here's Patrick Nasaltal. With another. On the set top. He is up against Ray. Roses. Using up the screen from JP. Shot clock is winding down. Today. Gomez rebound goes. Today. Habige. All the way to Polo. Gabat to the left side. Ray down low today. Yes sir.
Time out.
So here is Patrick Nasaltal now. We're tied once again at 14 points apiece. Up to Roy. Castillo. Ball stolen there. Now here is Polo. Gabat. Perez. Time out. 18. Our official score is 16 to 14, 2-point advantage by Batang Cavite with a minute and 30 remaining.
Ninyo, ba't di ka
In our
naglaro?
first quarter. Here we're back to the ball game, a minute and 30 remaining.
Sorry, reflected sa nagpapalagay sa poster.
Here's Pinsalan. All the way to Aris. Rodriguez on the top of the key. Hand up to Russell. Pacho. He's up against Polo. Shot clock is winding down. Up to Pinsalan. Bad rate. Takes it over. Loses the handle. Puts it off. And there's a whistle there. Foul.
Four.
Number 4. That is Aldo Reyes. His first personal foul. 13 foul. Someone will be on his roll. Castillo to the right side. Out of bounds. Ball goes the other way. Here's Ray on the break. Off to Richard. Raffles to Rex. Inside today, Habib Gomez. Ivan goes to Polo. Passes to the wrong man. Ball picks up by Polo. Gaban inside and he is fouled. Foul call on number 24. That is Aris Rodriguez, his first personal foul. 14 foul. First shot goes in for Polo. That is a miss. 40 seconds to go here with our opening play. Now here is Aris Rodriguez. On about the keeping south of Musala. Patrick Rabe making his turn. Now we have foul number 4. That is Reynaldo Reyes. His second personal foul. 14 foul. 14 on the shot clock. Break now. Anas picks it up. Makes it in for 2. Lead is down to a point. Shot number 4. 15 seconds remaining. It's Paulo Gala with the leather. Using up the screen from Ray. He attacks. Kick out pass. Rex for 3. Overshoots that one. 2 seconds to go. That ends our first quarter. The Fusion score is 17-16. A point advantage by Batang Cavite entering our second quarter.
Tama, matas nga. Natanggon pa kayo.
Okay na yan!
Nakapagsakan talaga yung matas eh.
Okay na! Tapos na yan eh!
Nag-rep na kayo eh. Naglalaro eh.
Wala, pre.
18?
And we're back to the game. This is the start of our second period. Now here is Alice to JP. Run it down low, getting the basket, and the one. Foul on the bell, that is JP. His second personal foul.
Or ano yun ang take isa?
One shot for JP Ramos.
6 sa 600. Tama?
Tama.
Wala pa ako na.
He goes down with JP Ramos. Off the three-point play behind the free throw area. Now here is Gabat. Rex on the pickup. Jumper misses. Rebound goes to JP. Rabbit. On the breaking catcher, stolen by Rex. Gabat now on the pickup. He's up against 2. Lose it, and there's a whistle down there. Foul on number 4. That's Patrick Punsalan. His first personal foul, first team foul. $17 on the shot clock. Luis Reyes. All the way to the Uplo. Gerald. To Raffles. Back to Reyes. Shot clock at 8. Reyes to the Uplo. Gerald making his way in. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Kick out pass. For 3. Good ball. Use Addis looking now on the play. Behind the back first. Ladies and gentlemen, 11 points now for Addis Rodriguez. Now here's the pickup. Pick and roll play there. And Rex Gabat with a beautiful finish on the layup. Here's Addis Rodriguez once again. To JP, to the high post. Jump shot. Got it. 5 points there for JP Rabe. And here is Gabat to Reyes. Off to Rodney. Gabat to the Uplo. Gerald swings it over to outside. For 3. Yes, sir. Rex Gabat. 3. Lead is down to a point. Couple fouls for number 10, Rodney Gabat. That is first personal. And number 8, Roy Castillo. That is second personal foul. Roy Castillo, first personal foul on Rocky Gabak.
Ready for sub. Sub.
Sub.
Substitution. JD Bangisa texting for Richard Raffles. 11 seconds to shoot. JD with the assessment there. Off the glass, Gomez. Santa Cruz score lock on the Reyes. History on the field. To JD. Winding it up. Misses. Regs down low. And he is fouled. Foul on number 17. That is Epi Hayag, committed his second personal foul. 13 foul. 2 shots for Rex Gabak. First shot goes in for Rex. Calvin 2 out of 2 for Rex. Out of bounds, 4 minutes the other way, substitution. Now here's Rex to Rodney. Hesitation, forward 3. Misses, rebound goes to JD. Ibang ilis na kicks out. Rex for 3. Kaboom! Hello. Now here's Roy Castillo now on the pickup. With a back. Taking the basket and one. Foul number 10, that is Rocky Gabak.
Thrower.
His second personal foul. 13 foul. One shot for Roy Castillo. This 27-25 is our score. 2-point advantage by Batang Cavite. Here's Reds. 40 again. That is short this time. Ivan goes to first. Madera hand up to Patrick. Quinzana has it now. Up to JP. Rather for play. 2 from that one. Back for the loose board. Out of bounds. Substitution. Patrick resultado save for Patrick Quinzana. He has 15 points now for Rex Gabak. Nawis na Utlo. Forward jumper. Well missed. Para for the loose board. Makukuha on the sacred. Season to Rex. He is up against Kasultay. Shot clock is winding down. 5 seconds to shoot. Polo making his way in. Fades away. In and out. Para for the loose board. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball
Time out.
squeeze. Right now. Batang Cavite. 27-25 is our score. 2-point advantage still for Batang Cavite. With 6 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. He won our second quarter. And we're back to the ball game. Once again, 6 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. We won our first half. 14 on the shot clock. Waiting for 3. Gomez. Ivan goes to JP. Here's the break now. Roy. Good fly. Touchdown. 7 points now for Roy Castillo. Now here is the sneak play. Simpson kicks out. JD for 3. Miss again. But Nauplo is there. Misses still. Hoping stop by JD. Evangelista down low. Gerald off the glass. First 2 points for Gerald Dauglo. So here is JP Rabe. Sees it over to Roy. John Roy on the top of the key. Hands off to the supply. Shaka McLean. Down low to JP. Rabe using the size. And punching in that 2 points. We're tied once again at 29 points apiece. What a exchange of basket from both teams. So here's Gerald Dauglo. One-handed shot, too strong. Ivan goes to Epi. Hayag to Roy. Castillo to Resultay. Off to JP. Rafael with the ladder. Setting this one up. And the whistle is here.
One.
Point number 1. That is secret season. His first personal foul, 14 foul. 14 on the shot clock. Here's Resultay on the inbound. Hand up to JP. Rabinera. Shots fired. Fire! Here's Paulo now with a quick answer. And here is Russell Cacho. Elbow jumper, misses. Ball goes to Rex, and here's Gabak now. On the pickup, will trail, kick out pass, JD has it. Fades away. And there is a whistle down the air.
Sab ba? Sab.
Foul number 9, that is Patrick Resultay.
Sab.
His first personal foul. Substitution. 2 shots for JP Evangelista. First shot goes in for JD. One out of 2 for him. Rebound goes to Epi. Hayag has it. Hand off to Cacho. Here's Russell now. He's up against Polo with the attack the ring. That is one up. Making his way in, using some muscles off the glass. Got it. Here's the break now. There's a whistle. The foul is on number 15. That is Bertz Madera. His first personal foul. Substitution. Richard Raffles for JD Evangelista. 2 shots for Rob Gabak. First shot goes in for Rob. Make it safe for him. It's Patrick Resultay. Hand off to Patrick. JP. Back to Resultay. Off the court shot. Russell lays it in. Touchdown. First 8 points for Russell Cacho. 6 points for him. Now here is Paulo. Gabak for 3. Misses. Even goes to Russell. Here's Cacho with the leather. They will run. Deep pass. Down here. The shot is good for Chris. And here is Siegfried. Season with a leather. On the setup. To Rob. Back to Siegfried. Season. Up against Patrick. Forward jumper. Misses that one up. Ball goes to Richard. Now here's Raffles. All the way down the lane. And there's a whistle. That foul is on number 2. That is JP Rabe. His first personal foul. 2 shots for Richard Raffles. Substitution. Addis Rodriguez checks in for JP Rabe. One out of 2 for Raffles. Here's batting Sultan on the inbound of Torasa. Cacho now. On the open way to Ares. Rodriguez handoff to Cacho. Here's the play now. Russell with attack. Making his way in. Gomez. Rebound goes to Raffles. So here's Richard now on the open way. Three-wheel drive. Off the glass. Touchdown. 3 straight points for Richard Raffles. This Russell goes stolen by Raffles. Here's Richard now. Will attack. Down low pass to Siegfried. Got it.
Time out.
Timeout. 18. We are back to our ball game. The lead is back to Batang Cavite, 20-27. Here's Patrick Gonzalan. And up to Sultan. To Russell. Cacho on the pickup. He's up against Jungle. To Patrick. Winding it up. Down the lane. Got it. Now here is Polo. On the setup he goes. He's up against Gonzalan. Will attack. Charging foul. Polo number 7. That is Polo Gabat. Polo committed his first personal foul. Here's Russell on the inbound. To Aris. Rodriguez to Patrick. The Sultan has it now. To Birds. Madera hesitation. Russell on the pickup. Spins. One on. Resident Hotel. Russell Cacho making things done for 18. Now they're up by 2. Here's Rob Gama. Richard Raffles now on the pickup shot. Yes, sir. 7 points now for Richard Raffles. Here's the setup now. Goes going there. Here's Rob Gama trailing. Ball stolen by Resultai. Here's Patrick. Still have a minute and 15 remaining. Gonzalan handoff to Patrick. Resultai. Setting up the tempo to Rubin. Addis picks up. 10 on the shot clock. Kick out. Gonzalan for 3. Too short for that one. Rebound goes to Jonathan. Here's Yasser now. Ball out of bounds. Ball stays with 18 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Rodney Gaba checks in now. Together with JD Baklista for Jonathan Yasser and Richard Raffles. 18 to shoot. Here is Gaba. Polo. He is blocked by Aris. Here's the break now. Patrick picks it up to Gonzalan. All over the fields. Sargent is in. Still have a couple of seconds remaining here with our second quarter. 18 is up by 2. Siegfried. Hesitation. Polo inside. Got it. "17 seconds remaining. Shot clock is off. 17 seconds to go. Here with our first half. Here's Gonzalan. Off to Russell. Cacho to Aris. Rodriguez for jumper. Yes, sir. Here's the spin. The pass. And that ends our second quarter. With the official score 45-43 to 2-point advantage enjoyed by 18 entering our second half.
Ah, King ah. Ikaw nandito? Hindi. Lalabas.
Bawal oh.
Ha? Hotdog. Ewan ko dyan. Lumabas siguro. Ewan ko, wala sinabi eh. Okay. Change.
Galit, galit.
Technical yan.
Sakit. Ang sakit na kapag langgam.
Kumilanggam.
And here's the start of our third quarter. This way, starting it off, full back on Cavite. Reyes, both holding there. Here's the break now, this one tie. All the way down the lane. And here is Reyes. To follow for three. Gomez. Ball picks up by Reyes. Inside to Ross. Ross Rodriguez getting his first 2 points on this ball game. And here's 18 now, looking to attack. Resultahin all the way to Addis. Rodrigue. Shots fired, misses. Rebound by Roy. Castillo with the reverse, will miss. Here's Batang Cavite now, looking to attack. Reyes. Kugat. Reyes. Passes down the lane. Stolen there by Rodrigue. All the way to Orlando. Here's JP now. Setting this one up for 18. Resultahin to Rodrigue. Addis to the corner. 90 for 3. Overshoots that one. Rebound goes to Rex. Use Gavan now. Use up against Rodrigue. Stop and play. Now, rebound goes to Rodrigue. Castillo. John Roy now. Down pass to Rabe. JP making his way in. Stolen there by Polo. Use Gavan now. Making his way down the lane. Yes, sir. We're tied once again at 47 points apiece. With 2 minutes gone by. Here in our third quarter, here's Patrick Resultay. Takes it in. Touchdown. Here's a break now. So Batang Cavite. To Vincent Mendoza. Punching his way in. We're tied once again at 49. Here is Resultay. Patrick to the left side. Nanim all the way to Patrick. To Roy. Shot clock at 8. 5 seconds to shoot. The drive is there. JP, one-handed shot, and there's a whistle. Foul call on number 31. That is Vincent Mendoza, his first personal foul, first team foul. Free throw shot will miss for JP Rabe. One out of two for him. They're up by a point, 15 to 49. Here's Ray. Reyes handoff to follow. Gaba using up the pick. To Ross. Crossword pass. Ray for three. Nowhere to go. Viva goes to prison time. Force calling there. Del Polo. Gaba now. Charging it up. Eagle pass. Ball picks up. Perez. Here's Gaba. Jump shot, short. Para sa Lagos board. Wala lalabas, mananatili. Sa Batang Cavite with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Rex. Hello. Here's Rabi now, down the lane, getting the basket, and the one. Foul call on number 4, that is Ray Reyes, committed his third personal foul, second team foul. What a shot for JP Rabi. 3-point opportunity is missed for JP, but they're up by 3 points, 52 to 49. Now here is Polo. Hand up to the right side, back to Polo. 8 on the shot clock, Polo will attack. 5 seconds to shoot. Ball goes the other way. Turn over once again for Batang Cavite. Now here's the Sultai handoff, back to Patrick. To Russell. Catcher has it now. 5 on the shot clock. Ball is loose. Ball goes the other way. Turned over for 18. But they're still up by as much as 3 points. 52 to 49. With almost half. And it's here in our third quarter, here is Rob. Gabat passes to Vincent Mendoza out that is Gerald the ultra runner on that shot. Lead is down to a point, 52 to 51. Now here is Roy. Castillo, kick out pass, JP. Shots fired, misses, Liman goes to the outflow. Up to the who's Gabat now on the play. He will fall down. And there's a whistle down there. The foul is on number 9. That is Patrick Sultai. His second personal foul, first team foul. 20 on the shot clock for Batang Cavite. Here's Rob Gabat now with 11. Using up the pick from Gerald. And there's a whistle. Pushing foul on number 4, that is Patrick Pongsalan. His second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Rob Gabat. Rashad goes in for Roy, tying up the ball game to 52. And now they're up by a point, 53 to 52. Now here is Sultai. To Russell. 15 on the shot clock. Picks up to JP. Rabe to the corner. Kick out pass. Patrick will drive, will miss. Para for the loose board, makukuha ni Resultay. Kicks out to Cacho, lays it in, will miss again. Rebound goes to Rex, here's Gabat now. On the way he goes. He will fly to his brother. And Ron finishes at 2 points. 5 straight points for Ron Gabat. Here's the Resultay now. To the green. Aris making his way in. Lays it in and out. Rebound goes to Vincent. Mendoza to Polo. Gabat crosses. Cross-court pass throw. Hesitation. Stop and pop J. There's a look back there, yes. Here's Patrick Sotailo Galera. They are down by 5 now. 57 to 52.
58 daw yung score.
57 lang po.
There's a whistle. Foul on number 25. That is Geraldo Uplo. His first personal foul. 13 foul.
57 lang po yung tayo.
Ito lang yan.
57 lang po. Ano sabi? Nag-update po ata. Dalawang
Lead is down to 3 points, 57 to 54. Gisnov picks up the leather all the way to Paul. Down low to Vincent. Fires on the shot, too strong. Rebound goes to Gerald. Rex for three. Bang! Rex Gaba! Five straight points for Rex Gaba. Here's Russell. Will miss. Batter for the loose board. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball stays. 14 on the shot clock for 18. Out of there. Stolen. Malone. Rex picks it up. Step back play. In and out. There's a foul down there.
26.
Foul on number 26, that is Ron Gabat. His first personal foul. 14 foul.
Palit bola. Kung anong gusto mong score, pulo. Ano?
And here's Patrick Gonzalan. They're only down by 6
Secret
points.
muna yung score,
off the
secret.
thirds. Madera back to Patrick. To Russell. That will be a whistle. A foul is called on number 31. That is Vincent Mendoza. Penalty.
2 shots.
Second personal foul on Vincent Mendoza. 2 free throws for JP Rabe. First shot goes in for JP. Two out of 2 for JP Rabe behind the free throw area. Now here's Batang Cavite now looking to attack. Wrong. Crosses over using up the pick from Gautlo. Once again. Here's the pick of A. The block is there. Shot clock on 11 seconds. Gautlo picks it up. Off the Polo. Will attack. Goes high up. Misses. Rebound goes to JP. 18 will attack now. Rabe inside to Russell. Getting the basket. May kasama pang foul.
Wait lang, saan yan?
Foul on number 25. That is Geraldo Uplo. His second personal foul. What a shot for Russell Cacho. Peter shot will miss for Russell. The lead is down to 2 points. 2 minutes remaining here in our third quarter. Ball of the play. Misses. Para for the loose board. Makukuha ni Aris. Yung hits to the now. Goes on in there. Rex. The shot is missed. Ball goes the other way. Patrick Gonzalez na. Ang minute 35 remaining. Up to JP. Rabe to Gonzalez. Asking for a pick to Ferds. Madera to JP to the high post. Making his way in. Pass is stolen there. Use legs now. Hand off. Stolen by Madera. He's first now. Lead pass to Russell. Cacho. Step back Jay. Face away. Back-to-back points for Russell Cacho. Tying up the board game to 16. Here's the ball for the quick answer. Here's a break now. Grabe. Kakaya Paloob getting the contact and a foul. Foul call at number 12. That is Dave Habike. His third personal foul. 2 shots for JP Rabe. Another missed free throw for JP Rabe. Lead is down to a point, 62-61, with less than a minute remaining. Here is Paulo. He's up against Patrick. Using up the pick, hesitation drive. With a back, he's blocked. JP picks up the leather. Up to Aris. Rodrigo will attack. Goes all the way to the top. Getting the basket. And one. Foul at number 12, that is 4th personal foul on Dave Habike. Bonus free throw for Aris Rodriguez. Shot is off. 15 seconds to go. Round corner 3. Yes, sir. Locava. 3. 5 seconds remaining. The shot is there. Misses. Rabe, no. Foul number 26. That is Rob Gabat. Second personal foul on Rob. 2 free throws for Russell Cacho. One out of 2 for Russell Cacho.
Subong pala yan, kala ko ano.
Kunin mo sa akin natin.
Bola, 18. 18 po yan po. Ha?
18.
Here's the start of our fourth and final quarter. Here's a key. Patrick Gomez. Ball goes to Rex. It is Gabat now. Will fail. He will stop. Hand off to Polo. Three. Gerard. Gomez. Even versus JP. It's Patrick Grisoltay now to Ferds. 6-0 to the corner. Russell will attack. Hacho fades away. Well missed. Rebound goes to Gabat. This final now. Loading it up. And there's a whistle. Foul number 2. That is JP Rabbit. Committed his second personal foul. Christy foul. Shot clock 20 seconds. Here's Follow on the setup. Using the pick, down low pass. Ball loses, picks off by JT, off to Ferds. Madera, loading it up, one pass, Russell inside, yes sir! Working towards the end, Russell catcher, Richard Raffles to the hole. Right in the shot of this, one picks off by Rodeo. Here's Ladis now. On the trail. He stops. Up to Grisoltay. Left side pass. Jumper. Got it! Time out! Batang Cavite.
Satellite 3 po. Satellite 3. San Jose.
We're back for the game. 8 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. All the series gone by. The other 14th final quarter. ATV is up by 3 points, 68 to 65. What a trade of events. Here's the break now. A pressure defense applied by Patrick Grisoltay on the top of the key. Yes, Polo. Setting up the tempo for DC. Quarter pass, recharge. To the middle, Wilson, overshoots. Ball picks off by JT. Here's Rabbit, hand off to Grisoltay. They will set this one up. Patrick, to the middle. Harris now. Spins. 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Rodney Gabat checks in for Richard Raffles. And here is Polo. Gabat on the setup. Using up the pick from his brother. Three. Greatest kick out. Polo. Winding it up all the way down the lane. Very good basket and one. The foul is all on number 2. That is JP Rabbit committed his third personal foul. Ball shot goes in for Polo. Tying up the ball game to 68. Here's first Madera on the setup. Hands off to Grisoltay. Patrick down low. JP inside. Getting the basket. May kasama pang foul. Foul call at number 7. That is Polo Gabat. Committed his second personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw for JP Rabbit. This is again. This is Polo. Using up the pick for Wayne. This is right for the one over the base. Kicks out the Rex. To the corner, 10 on the shot clock. Rodney hesitation. Hands up, loose leather. 5 seconds to shoot. Ball in attack. Pass the ball is there. All players, please proceed to your respective benches. Once again, players, please proceed to the shooting area. Basket counted. Rebound at 17. Use back at plus 5 to JP. Ramen picks up. He will attack. Goes on the lane. Misses. JP once again. Getting the contact and a foul. Foul call on number 31. That is Vincent Mendoza. Vincent committed his third personal foul. Second team foul.
Ito ah. Sub daw.
It is 2 free throws for JP Rabbit. Another service from the free throw area for JP. Second shot, low go for JP. They're up by a point, 71 to 17. Now here is Paulo Gabat. Picks up the letters. Off the rest. He's up against the basket. Jump step. Off the screen. Don't lose it. One pass it for play. Boom! Paulo Gabat!
Long two.
Correction, that is only a long two for Rob Gabat.
Wala pa.
Lasal has it. Reaching foul on number 36, that is Rob Gabat, committed his third personal foul. 13th foul. 72 to 71 is our score. Patrick has it now. 5 on the shot clock. Post ball in the air. Out of bounds. Ball stays 3 seconds on the shot clock.
Seal! Take 3!
Russell for the reception. Shot clock violation.
Long two. Line beat.
And here is falling out. Back up to the level. On the set up. Using up the screen. For play. Gomez, Ivan Mercenares. Here's review now. We're entering the halfway mark of this fourth and final quarter. Foul on number 26. That is Rob Gabat, his fourth personal foul. 14th foul. Once again, fourth personal foul on Rob Gabat. 14 foul.
Eh, lapit, lapit. 17.
17 seconds on the shot clock. Crossword pass. Patrick. Kick out. To Punsalan. 10 on the shot clock. Last pass. Volunteer. He strikes down. All the way down the lane. Timeout. 18. Five minutes and 29 seconds remaining. You and our freaking final quarter. Batang Cavite still up by 74 to 71. Here's Aras again. Hand off to Rizaltay. Patrick. On the top of the key. On the setup. Sees Roberto Punsalan. Back to Rizaltay. Stolen every three. He's three now. Touchdown! What a steal there from Rinaldo Reyes. There's another steal. From Reyes. Here's Reyes. Holding his way. 4 points conversion on the stand from Reynaldo Reyes. They're out by 7 points. 78 to 71. 17 on the shot clock. Here's JP for the reception. Hand off to the three. Back to JP. Rabi has it now. Spins. He is fouled. Foul call on number 31. Penalty. Warning bench off. Batang Cavite for improper bench decorum. It is fourth personal foul on Vincent Mendoza. Portia goes in for JP.
Umpisa pa lang. Nakatapos pa lang.
It is 2 out of 2 for JP Ronaldo. Substitution. Roy Castillo checks in for Patrick Punsalan. Here's Rex Gabat now. On the way to follow. 15 on the shot clock. Rex Reyes. Nowhere to go. Rebound goes to Reyes. Out of nowhere there. Here's Paulo once again. 10 on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Paulo. What's this? Shot clock violation. 78 to 73, still our score, 5-point advantage by Batang Cavite. Here's John Roy. Castillo hand off to Rizaltay. Patrick to the right side to Russell. Catcher now. Back to Roy. Kick out pass, goal scored. 10 on the shot clock. Dalo to Aris. For the demolition shot. He's going to do this now for Addis to the team. 78 to 75, still our score. 10 on the shot clock. Corner pass, back to Polo, the Reds. With a tap, high shot, misses, rebound goes to JP. He's dropping out to Russell, Thatcher. Out of bounds, both stays, 18 seconds to shoot. Substitution.
Dalawa pa, boss. Pareho kami dalawa, no?
18 seconds on the shot clock. Holding foul on number 4, that's Reynaldo Reyes, his fourth personal foul.
Penalty.
Penalty. 2 free throws for Addis Madrid.
Apat na, apat. Apat.
First shot goes in for Addis. Four out of 2 for Addis Madrid. 5 straight points for him. Lead is down to a point. 78 to 77. Still Evans more game. Here is Paul out of the Reds. He's up against goal.
Ito pala boy.
Stefan James. Misses. Rebound goes to Addis. Hands up to JP. Here's wrapping out to Roy. Castillo. Misses. Rebound goes to Gerald. Here's Rob now. Goes over there. Hand off. Addis to the Sultan.
Relax!
To the left side. TJP. Rabe. Then in the contact. And a foul.
Wait lang, sanya sila.
Foul number 25. That is Gerald Nauplo. Timeout. Batang Cavite. It is third personal foul, Gerald Nauplo.
Batang Cavite po
Batang
lamang.
Cavite on the penalty situation. We are back for more game. It is 2 free throws
Ha?
for JP Rabe.
Kanina yan, pinang-comment.
First shot goes in for JP. Tying up the ball game to 78. And just like that, lamang na ng isa ang 18, 79 to 78. On the dribbling remaining, here is Panorama on a setup. 10 on the shot clock. What will they do here? That's the possession. Ray for three. Misses. Rebound goes to JP. Here's Rabi now. Hands it over to the Sultan. Here's Patrick. Setting it up for 18. They're up by a single point. To the left side. Back to Patrick. 10 on the shot clock. Down low to Arias. For that high in the side lane.
Sab, sab, sab. Pasok, pasok.
Hey! Polo! Polo!
Use the big. Yes! And JP Robin wrong.
Warning for delay
Warning for delaying
game.
the game. Number 2, JP Rabe of 18.
Technical timeout. Ah, tigilan pala.
Here's Russell. Cacho, kicks out. Down low, on stage. 13 seconds on the shot clock.
Sab.
Substitution. Geraldo Upo checks in. On the shot clock. 13 seconds to shoot. Here comes here for Nacho. Bouncing it out. Take a pass. Roy for three. Goal! Roy Castillo, three! Roy now for the captain.
Grabe, palitan.
Available 20 remaining. Here is Alice to Russell. Cacho on the side up. Losing it, picks it up. To Russell tie. Get the shot. Now we are traveling.
Pablo! Short! Pablo! Look that!
Here is
Yes!
Walk down. I'm going to do it. Together. 15 out of the shot. The shot. Misses. Rebound for yes. To Paulo. Quick shot. In and out. Nice. Sweet shot. Here's the fantastic shot. Labang sila ng isa. Roy. To Russell. Roy with it. Castillo inside. Down to go. Here's Paulo. He will set this one up.
85-86.
Good pass. Misses. Ballsing. Foul number 2. That is JP Rabbit. His fourth personal foul. Fourth personal foul, JP Rabbit, 13 fouls.
Gago pinunasan.
Two free throws for next down. First shot is less.
Yes! Basket!
Sino ang kalaban nito? Erson man.
We are all shot of town, all 86 with 27 seconds remaining. .6 seconds remaining. 3 seconds between the shot clock and the game clock. We are all tied at 86 all. The quarterfinals of DPL Season B, the winning team will advance to the semifinals. Here we go, off the timeout. What will be the answer for the A team? With 10 on the clock remaining. Here's PJ off the Russell. Touch on tag with a jumper. No. Cutting for the loose ball. 5 seconds on the shot clock. He fakes. 3. Goes starting. There is a foul. There is a foul on that shot. There is a foul. Foul is going to play number 9. Penalty situation. There is a foul.
Puro sa amin yung nasa unan. Tumaw. Advantage ball ba?
Hindi foul.
All 86.
Meron pa isa.
2 free throws will be given. Penalty situation for both teams. First free throw assist. With 2.34 seconds remaining. Misses it goal! Second row goal! What's that foul?
Oti! Oti! Oti!
Fourth quarter, we are going to overtime. Extra 5 minutes of ball game.
Haba naman. Dilitin mo.
Oh. Tuck-in mo.
Pero ang foul ang nakabring kasi dito sa ila. Walang advantage. Hindi team foul. Batang Cavite tayo.
Hoy, ang dami na nanonood ah. Shout out guys.
And here's our overtime period. We're having 86 points apiece.
Bola lang.
Our accelerating ball game from both teams.
Ay, Jobert.
And here is Richard Grafos. Sigrid season inbounding the letter.
Kaya pala nag-oti nanonood kay Floyd. Lapok ka talaga.
Here's Rex with the reception. Isa pa rin si Gonzala. Using the screen. Numbers of three. Hey! Let's go! Here is Patrick Esotay. PJ. Looking for someone to the middle. JP. Ball stolen there. Here is Sigrid now. Season turns. Ball stop. Stolen there. Rodrigue. Winding it off. Slashing his way in. Here's a whistle. Foul number 24. That is
Tandaan mo, kasalanan mo lagi yan, pulo.
Polo. One out of 2%.
Gugutom na ang habang.
Here is Ruby. Rabe, all the way to PJ, to Patrick. Gonzalan to the left side corner.
Foul.
That will be a foul. Foul
5.
Ball number 5, that is Richard Raffles. His first personal foul. 2 free throws for Russell Catchell. First shot goes in for Russell. A miss. A point advantage for Batang Cavite na his next Gabat. 1 minute is gone by here in our overtime for 3. Northern Ina of the JP.
Ay, sorry.
Grabe. Ball snap out. Ball stays with 18. With 21 seconds on the shot clock. Now here's DJ Usultay Tabunzalan. For 3. Gomez, batting for the loose board. All the guys there, bola mapupunta sa Batang Cavite. Here is the ball Gaba. 7 is the ball out for BC. Using up the break. Someone is winding down. Give it a back. No hesitation jumper. Got it. 19 points now for Polo Gabat. Here's PJ Resultay. Shot clock at 10. Gunzalan to the left side. Match up for 3. Too strong. Rebound goes to Rodriguez. Here is 16 now. Double traveling. Substitution. Well, Gabat is back next game for a secret season. Gunzalan. Patrick on the setup. From downtown. A miss. That's out short. Now here's the next Gabat. On the pickup. He's up against the basket. Western basketball. Gabat takes. Shots wide. Short. Even goes to the
Oy,
basket.
out of bounds.
Off the rest. Gabat leads the way. Yes, sir. With 89 is our score. 5-point advantage by Batang Cavite. Hand off, stolen near. Yes, 2 minutes. Is our second fastest mark of this whole game for our overtime period. 10 on the shot clock for Batang Cavite. This Polo. Passing is winging, kicks out. Passes to the bench. Here's Cacho. Loading the guns. Messes that one up. Rebound by Rex. Here's Wall for the reception. Off to Dave. Habike down low. Nowhere to go. Rebound by Polo. A minute and 25 remaining. 10 on the shot clock.
6, 5.
What a explosion here at their overtime from the Gabat brothers. Here's Habike. Shot clock violation. A minute and 14 remaining.
Sab.
Reyes steps in for Richard Raffles. Reyes steps in for defensive purposes. Here is JP. Rabbit to Punzalan. Back to Rabbit. JP to Russell. Dollar pass. Harris is there. Shot overshoots. JP now. Got it at two. Still have under a minute to go. 94 to 91. DC's off for 3. Here is Reyes on the setup. 10 on the shot clock. Off the paint. Passes to Reed. To Reyes. 1 foot shot. Misses. Fight for the loose board. Mamukuha. Goal post with Maluwi. 29 seconds remaining.
Yung isa.
It is a 5-point differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Punsalan. To Russell for three. Russell Blanchard. The shot clock is off. 15 seconds to go. This is Paulo. 5 seconds remaining. Where's the ball? That is our first shot.
Ate! Wala! Wag ka na manood ng live! Malas ka!
Sabi niya, Ate na naman yan. Grabe na ito. Sino may balat?
Pulo, umalis ka sa live na to!
Iban mo nga yan.
Yung kamalasan mo, ban ka dito. Taga mo.
Tsaka hindi mo akalain na may shooting. Hindi mo akalain na may shooting.
Pulo, umalis-alis ka muna dito. Pulo. Live namin. Eighteen ball.
Here's our second overtime. Ganun. JP fires. Misses. Ibang goes to Reyes. Here's three. Reyes on the game. And off. Rob passes down. Shot clock at 15. Towards 10 under shot clock. You see on the screen for three. Kaboom! Rex Gaba! Again, Rex Gaba opening up that overtime with a 3-point shot. Here's Roy. Here's it. Russell picks it up with a spin. Both stays 10 on the shot clock.
Penalty!
25.
Foul on number 25, that is Geraldo Uclo. Penalty. That is fourth personal foul on Geraldo Uclo. 2 free throws for JP Rabe. For two for JP. He was down to a point. 27
Ngayon pa lang
26.
pulo, wag ka na manood.
Here is Rex Gaba now. He's up against the batting Punsa. Shot down at 10. Here's Rex now. He can pass. Okay. That is short. Ball goes the other way. Here is Batang Gonzalaga. Together with JP Rabe. On the setup he goes to Patrick. All the way to Roy. Castillo back to Punsalan. 10 on the shot clock. To the middle. Ball loose and stolen by Reyes again. It's Reynaldo. To Ron. Misses on the rebound by JP. Here's the run now. Rodriguez. The foul is there. Foul number 25.
Sab.
Geraldo Uclo. 5 fouls. Foul down. 2 2 free throws for Addison Abid. First shot goes in for Addis for the tie.
Buenas yung
2 out of 2 for Roblin.
Ang score po, ayan. Hulaan nyo na lang kung sino lamang.
30 points for Addis Abid. They're up the run. Here's Roblin. Misses again. Rebound goes to Low. Castillo passes to the ball man. Roblin. No to go. Rebound by Russell. 8 to go run down. Here is Cacho. Fakes away. Nowhere to go. JP down low. 100-97 is our score. He's pulling it out. That is awesome. Foul on number 24. That's Addison Abid. He's third personal foul. 2 free throws for Paul Gala.
Sab.
Vincent! George! Ken! Rex, dito ka Rex ha? Tas ka na. Kailang, wala yung pen!
1 out of 2. With Paul Gala. Rebound goes to JP. Rabbit goes out. Falling remains. Here's Gala now. Pico pass. From the way down low. Nowhere to go. Five from the loose ball. Not the way. Ball goes out. Ball goes out. First of all, ball goes to 18.
Shout out po sa 2,000 viewers namin dyan.
Cacho to Rodrigo. Addis now to Masultay. Loses on by Reyes. He's hanging out. Good jumper. Falling by one. Masultay to JP. Son is one home. Last two.
And from score.
Here's JP now. David LeBlanc. Resultado, that will be a foul on number 4. That is Reynaldo Reyes.
May foul.
Reynaldo Reyes. 5 fouls. Foul now.
Balikat.
2 free throws for Patrick Resultado. First shot goes in for Patrick. Substitution.
Bok! Bok! Oy! Lane!
Here's this Polo. Great to see you. He is wrong. Ball picks up Polo. One misses. He receives the foul letter. Into the end. Yes. Number 4 to 100 reverse score. Use one. Castillo recently. Passes stolen. Here's Duncan. Transfer in. Now, William Reyes. Here's Russell on the pickup. To JBL.